Hello friends, have you ever tried to apply any financial operation to the cells having specific kind of formatting or coloring applied to it? I brought a very interesting example for you guys. So the boomerang company is selling the boomerangs and recorded their region-wise sales, and they also want to set the target for their next year, and which would be the average of the sales recorded in the blue highlighted cells. How can we achieve this? Let's start. Okay, so I will start by selecting these cells in the first place and press Ctrl F to go to find and replace, and I will use this down arrow key, and this will give me the choose format from the cells. I will select any of the cells containing this blue highlighting, and I will be able to find all these cells with blue highlighting. I'll click here, press Ctrl A and press Ctrl C to copy these ranges, close it out, go to formula, and I'll find the name manager under the defined names group. Name manager, and I will press new. You already got all the cells highlighted and you already copied them. Just rename it like cyan. I'm going to use this color and press OK. So you have a defined name range. Close it and press equals average, and I'm gonna call cyan and close bracket and press enter. So this is the target sales for the next years. Again, to recheck it, hold control key and select all of them. Sure enough, and if we see the average, that is showing 582226.75, it means our result is correct. And that's how you can apply any kind of financial operation to any of the highlighted cells. Thank you so much.